Hope you are all okay. In today's video, we are going to have a look at how to run regression with fixed effects but present the data in a more simplistic and organized manner. And we are going to use absorb command in Stata. Let's see how it is done. So to run regression with absorb command, absorb is a command that will help you to condense any categorical variable which has so many categories, because if you put that in your regression model and you run, the outcome will look a bit messy. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if you remember previously, we have run regression with full OLS regression with fixed effects with year. So what the regression score will look like is this. So you can see that once you run the regression with a fixed effect in a pooled OLS, the results will show in this manner. So because Stata will treat each year as an independent dummy and will provide the coefficient for each of those years that you have presented -1, because in this data set we have data starting from 2010. So they have created this many dummies for every single year except 2010. Now, if you want to run the same regression, but you want to keep the year fixed effect, but you don't want to see them in your results in the Stata outcome, you can just simply rerun by going back, put one A just in front of reg, and you can remove this, and instead of this you can write a comma, absorb bracket year. Hopefully I have no, it should be absorb absorb. The command will be there in the description for your convenience. So if I use this, let's see what happens. Now you can see I have run the regression. The regression has included year fixed effects. It has absorbed the information, but it has not shown the year dummies to make the results more simplistic. If you want to compare the results, for example, the one that you have year fixed effects, they are shown. You can look at the coefficient. Let me see if we can compare. It's a bit. We have to go back and forth. So the coefficient of sustainability reporting is 503. Is 503 over here. Standard error 0.1717. You have 300 observation. F value 43. Here the F statistic has changed, adjust R square, almost the same. And then you have every single statistics, every single one of them are the same, except the F statistics because of certain change in this value. But overall, the values for F statistics remains the same. And this is how you can run a fixed effect regression, but you don't want to see the dummy variable coefficient, you can hide it in this way. One more thing just to remember, that if you have multiple fixed effects, that means you have year, you have country, you have industry, you have region, so that will not work in here. Let me show you what I mean. So right now we have used the year fixed effect. If you do bring the company fixed effect, if I put them both in here, it says too many variables specified, so it will work one at a time. That means you can only suppress one dummy variable at a time. So if you have two fixed effects, that means you may have to bring one in here and leave the other over there. The results will remain the same, because if I show you that if we run this, the results looks very messy. It's so big, so difficult to navigate. So perhaps you can just absorb the one with the highest categories and highest number of dummies, and the other one you can leave it like that. Not sure whether you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe, put a like, and hope to see you again in my next video. You have a wonderful day. Bye.